Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Smooth English Talks. I hope you are doing well today. Today, I will talk about myself in a very simple and easy way. So, stay with me and listen carefully. Part 1. Basic Introduction. My name is John. I am from Bangladesh. I live in a small and peaceful place. I am a simple person. I like to live a simple and meaningful life. Part 2. My work. I am a digital marketer. I work online as a freelancer. I help people grow their business on the internet. I also work with social media. I enjoy learning new skills every day. Part 3. My passion. I love learning English. English is very important in my life. I practice English every day. Sometimes I speak alone. Sometimes I speak in front of a camera. I believe practice is the key to success.
Part 4. My YouTube journey. I started this YouTube channel to help people speak English easily. Many people feel shy or afraid when they speak English. I understand this feeling because I also faced this problem. That's why I want to help you speak English with confidence. Part 5. My daily life. My daily life is simple. I wake up early in the morning. I try to use English in my daily routine. I read, I listen, and I speak. I make mistakes, but I keep going because I know mistakes help me learn. Part 6. Message to viewers. My dear friends, you don't need perfect English. Just start speaking. Speak a little every day. Believe in yourself. You can do it.
So, my dear friends, this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for staying with me and listening to my story. I really hope this video helped you understand that learning English is not difficult. It is not about being perfect, it is about being brave. Sometimes you may feel shy. Sometimes you may feel afraid. Sometimes you may think, I can't speak English. But remember one thing, you can do it. If I can learn, you can learn too. We are all learners. We all make mistakes, and that is completely okay. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your best teacher. Every day, try to speak a little, even if it is just one sentence. Even if your voice is not perfect, just speak. Because step by step, day by day, you will improve.
One day, you will look back and feel proud of yourself. My dear friends, believe in yourself. Trust your journey. You are stronger than your fear. You are better than your excuses. Keep practicing, keep learning, and never give up. I am always here with you on this journey. We will learn together, we will grow together. If you like this video, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. It gives me motivation to create more videos for you. Thank you once again for your love and support. Take care of yourself, stay happy, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Smooth English Talks. I hope you are happy and doing well today. Today, I will share something personal with you. Today, I will talk about myself. So, let's begin. Part 1. Who I am. My name is David. I am from Bangladesh. I am a simple person with simple dreams. I believe that a simple life can be a beautiful life. Part 2. My life journey.
My journey is not perfect. I did not learn everything easily. Sometimes I felt confused. Sometimes I felt afraid. But I never stopped trying. I always believed that if I keep going, I will improve one day. Part 3. My work and passion. I work as a digital marketer. I work online as a freelancer. I love learning new things. I love improving myself every day. But one of my biggest passions is learning English. English is not just a language for me. It is a tool for growth.
Part 4. My English practice. I practice English every day. Sometimes I speak alone. Sometimes I record my voice. Sometimes I make videos like this. I make mistakes, but I don't stop. Because I know practice makes progress. Part 5. Why I started this channel. I started this channel for people like you. People who want to speak English but feel shy or nervous. I understand your struggle, because I was also like you. That's why I want to say, you are not alone. We are learning together. So, my dear friends, this is the end of today's video. But before I say goodbye, I want to tell you something important. Your journey is special. Maybe you are just starting today. Maybe you only know a few words. Maybe you feel nervous to speak. But that is okay. Because every expert was once a beginner. Every confident speaker was once afraid. And every success story started with a small step. So don't compare yourself with others. Don't think I am not good enough.
You are learning. You are growing. And that is enough. Even if you speak slowly, even if you make mistakes, you are still moving forward, and I am proud of you for that. My dear friends, never lose hope. There will be hard days. There will be days when you don't feel motivated. But please remember, discipline is more important than motivation. Even on your worst day, try to speak just one sentence. Because one sentence every day can change your life. I truly believe in you, and I want you to believe in yourself too. We are not just learning English here. We are building confidence. We are building courage. We are changing our lives step by step. Thank you so much for being with me today. Your time, your support, and your presence mean everything to me. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to practice every day. Take care of yourself, stay positive, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a beautiful day.